Hi darling, so today we're going to be unboxing the Swarovski necklace. This is their Ariana Grande collaboration, and I do love Ariana Grande, so I had to get this. So I tried to pick something that would work well with this necklace because it is a bit on the fancier side, but this is all I could come up with. Definitely better than a t-shirt. I might show you what this looks like with this two-piece dress I have, aka a lehenga, and the lehenga is more on the modern side. I got like a marble type of print, so I'll try to show you what this looks like with that at the end of this video, so you have to keep watching all the way. So the Ariana Grande collection is basically like, I think I don't think it's designed by her, but I'm assuming like she selected the designs that she likes and then like she obviously wore them, so that is what makes this special. And I'll show you what the unboxing looks like. So it says like Swarovski Ariana Grande, and then I'm gonna take it out of the box. So this is what the box looks like. And I know like generally like any home organizer will tell you like you do not need the packaging of that thing you bought, but I think this is going to be one of those things that I actually keep the packaging. And it's honestly just because like it is a cool shape. It says Ariana Grande on it. It has the Swarovski logo, so it just feels like really special. And because I did spend quite a bit on this in comparison to other necklaces that I own, I usually just spend stuff on like Kendra Scott or like bauble bar necklaces. This is a little bit more higher priced. So because of that, I also think I will keep the packaging. So let us show you what is inside. So it says Swarovski on the box, and then it looks like there's no necklace on here, but it's actually behind this. So it has like the little foam. And then this is the flower necklace. Okay, so the way to open this is very confusing. I've practiced a few times and I'm still getting confused. So first you want the flowers on the outside, Swarovski logo will be on the inside, and then you're gonna like push it against it, and you basically want to pop it. So you just push here like that, and then it'll come off. So I was definitely scared to do this because I was worried I would break it, since this necklace is around $350 and I want to be careful. But luckily, like if you're careful, you won't have anything bad happen. But definitely just need to practice figuring out how to get it to open. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know how I'll put it on the back. I'm guessing I'm just gonna have to turn it over. So this is the final look of the necklace, and I'd say overall I was really happy with my purchase. I definitely was hesitant about buying this because it is a higher price necklace, but I do think this is great for special occasions, especially when you want like a grand look. And because it's like flowers, I think it's like cute. It can kind of go with any outfit, and because also there's no like colored stones, like there's no like blue stones or red stones, it can go with any outfit, so that's also great about it. And I know the closure was definitely the most annoying part about this necklace, but I think with practice, it's something that you can get better at remembering how to open and close. And also because it has like that very like professional or whatever you want to call it, like well thought out closure, you're not going to worry about the necklace falling off because it is like very secure. So as towards the price, like I'm not sure if this is higher priced because it's Ariana Grande, but I do know that Swarovski tends to be higher priced in general. So I don't think that is terrible considering where they're priced at in the market. If you're looking for more affordable jewelry brands that aren't as high priced, then I recommend checking out like Goriana or also like Kendra Scott, Majuri, Bauble Bar. But definitely there's going to be a lot of differentiations in price across jewelry because of like how things are made or like what materials they use. So I hope you like this video. If you want to read more about jewelry reviews, then definitely check out my blog. And if there are other brands that you want me to review or other stuff from Swarovski that you want me to check out, then let me know as well in the comments. Bye!